squadron will know no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the night goggles the scowling goggles are sure to find your home.
Runways clear and take off dear. We must play our part.
Hark at him. I fear his cabin lights are rather dim.
Chokes away our ends flame must start.
We ran on a wild goose chase, and our simple mission position the whereabouts of your farm. We're off and lost, we're belonging to Kingdom Come. We won't be back until we found your mom.
Excuse me, sir! Cattails advancing from the rear!
What? Cattails do not advance, Barnacles. One of the things they are most famous for is being rooted to the spot.
Hello, Ducky. Thought I'd lost you.
Stand back or I'll back!
Oh, be still, my quaking legs. I'm going to be goose.
What are you doing here?
Well, that's what friends are for. I've come to take you home. Your mother is carrying on something fearful.
My mother. You've seen my mother?
Of course I have. She sent me to fetch you.
Listen here, Captain. I'm in command around here, and my squadron has taken personal charge of the duckling's safe return home.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the gun?
We will commence shooting maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
It's their party, but we'll fly if we want to.
Maybe I could be of assistance. I'll go over to the chute and let you know when they're packing up for the day.
Very well, but no funny business. I know some ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I'm your senior flight attendant, and on behalf of Captain Greylag, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from boggy marshland to some far-flung farm. We'll be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures we've been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air for the fluffy skies. We're off to shore, this duck ring is not so long. We won't be back until we found your...
The coast is clear. They're putting away their guns.
Do you swear?
On one of my lives.
All right, men, final check. Oh, and here's a parachute for you.
For me?
You don't think I'm gonna leave you here with a duckling, do you? Oh no, puss, you're coming with us.
Our wings are spread,
So don't steal away.
our excess bags are stowed away. It's time to fly. We're off on a wild goose chase, and are happy and independent if we can locate his nest. Locate his nest. We're all cheering on. Goodbye to a Pinkfoot shop. We won't be back till we found your mom.
Goodbye! Goodbye! Good luck! Thank you! Thank you! No! What? She told me she was my friend. She said the people had put their guns away. She lied. Oh, Mama, what should I do now?
Some viewers may find this image disturbing.
Ida, if you see this, love, please come home. The kids need you. They're not coping so well without you.
In a sinister new development, it appears that Ida has also gone missing. Once again, viewers, we are appealing to you for any new information. The number is coming up on your screen.
As a drink, my mistake was letting her go searching for my son. Yeah, that one. It ain't right. I've spent weeks filling beaks, hearing "Daddy, Daddy, Daddy!" I'm depressed round the nest, day and night. And what sort of time do you call this?
We sort of lost track of time.
The owl didn't give a hoot.
Well, your father does.
Mom would have let us stay out.
Mom's not here. You're all grounded.
Is Mom coming back?
I don't know, honey.
But she is coming back.
I don't know, honey.
Will she find ugly?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. All right, that does it. Kids, it's time to roost. Don't use all the hot water this time. My bill's big enough. When Ida said she'd go, I had to let her. This shake because this apron suits her better. Where's the joy in motherhood? An endless round of chores that had to be done. And when you think you've seen the back of them, you find an actual fact, you're back at square one. There's no joy in motherhood. And if there is, it's something I just can't see.